Alright, our lights that have just been installed and embedded with Smart Blu have been energized. And now we're going to go into our app and we're going to bring our fixtures into the program. You can either click to add or touch the plus sign. So we're going to click to add, and you'll see all the fixtures show up on the screen. You can bring them all up to see how many you have, or you can look at the bottom and you see a number of fixtures that have been pulled. You can turn them off and on. And the purpose of this is, if you wish to only bring in fixtures in an area that you see as being on, then you can individually turn those lights on and make sure that you're not bringing in lights that you don't want in your space. If you already know that the count is correct and you look at the count at the bottom of your screen and you say, yes, that is all the fixtures that I need to bring into my program, then you may hit add to bring them all in at once. This process takes approximately 15 seconds. At the end of the process, the program says that if any lights have failed to come into the program, you can repeat the process to bring them in. So now we're going to go back, and now you will see all the lights reconnect that have been brought into the program. You'll also notice one of the lights have a blue font. That is the first light that is receiving information from the app, and then from there a mesh network relays the information to all the rest of the lights.